everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Today is 9/11. It's the second day of our Hershey meet and greet at the Star Barn in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania. Wanted to give a little bit of an honor to those first responders and the families that have been affected by our 9/11 event several years ago. The flag here is at half staff. So just a moment of reflection and honor, paying tribute to those who sacrificed for our great country. So I'm going to take you on a little trip here. This is what you'll see when you come to the Star Barn area. This is a walkway that I'm walking up, but adjacent to this is the drive that you'll be driving up to see our luxury fifth wheels. Just a beautiful setting. It speaks for itself. Words just can't describe it. If you can see in the distance, we've got a couple swans there. There's all kinds of wildlife here. We got a pig that you can come up and pet. They've got a couple longhorn bulls over there. We might see them later. But just walking up this drive, walking up this little walkway, a beautiful spot, historical, one of a kind. So I'm going to take you around the Star Barn. We're actually at the back of the Star Barn, so it's a little drive up here. Plenty of parking for everyone. We'd love to see you. Come and visit. All the directions and everything are on our website, luxefifthwheel.com, or you can give us a call at 844-284-6678, 844-284-6678. Come visit us. Take a look at some really luxury fifth wheels. So here's the parking. There's parking all along this road. Also, there's two overflow parking areas just over a little bit of a hill, but plenty of parking. And you'll see our Luxe flags along the route all the way up here. So right up this road here, and as soon as you get beyond this building, you'll see our lovely front living floor plan up there. It's going to be a hot day today, but we've got air conditioning in all of our units, and the Star Barn is beautifully air conditioned, climate controlled, so no fear of the 90-degree weather. So we're looking forward to seeing you, and have a lovely day.